We have a situation right now in which there is an employee of the Department of Justice who has asserted Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination with respect to their conduct in office at the Department of Justice. And that person has, as of the last I've heard, not been terminated. In your recollection and to your knowledge, in the entire history of the Department of Justice, has there ever been an attorney working for the Department of Justice who asserted Fifth Amendment privileges against self-incrimination regarding their conduct in office, who was not terminated and who was kept on as an employee and on the payroll?
I've never looked at that question, and I don't know.
I regret if, in fact, at the end of this investigation, continues to be no evidence of that. I regret the fact that dedicated public servants get caught up in politically motivated attacks against the administration or other individuals and find it necessary to have to hire lawyers and to invoke their rights under the Constitution not to testify rather than risk perhaps prosecution for perjury or some other related criminal matter. I think it's unfortunate. I really do.
I'm not quite sure how to take that last statement. We have investigations all the time. Obviously, if people don't commit perjury, they don't get prosecuted for perjury. If they haven't, if they feel they might be the subject of a criminal investigation, they do have a constitutional right to take the Fifth.
Mr. Chairman, my only point was I believe there was some implication that by invoking the Fifth Amendment, that the inference of guilt could be drawn from that, and I think that's an incorrect statement of law, and I don't think any negative inference can or should be drawn from anyone invoking their constitutional rights.
My statement that if somebody doesn't commit perjury, they don't get charged with perjury.
Are you aware that courts and juries are allowed regularly, as a matter of standard practice, to draw an adverse inference, it's called, from the assertion of Fifth Amendment privilege by a witness in a civil case?